content of your video. If you really like my channel and you find that I'm really putting great content out there which is helping you out, so please subscribe to my channel. Subscribe क्यों नहीं करते हैं आप लोग? Do subscribe to my channel, right? So it makes me happy. Please, something like that. She wrote a big message. So I'm a very for the things that are happening across, which is in terms of change. You get into your creative energy. Your creative energy is intuition. Your creative energy is the space where you imagine things. So for my creative stuff, I do some activity, writing, journaling, and all those stuff. But today it comes through more stuff which makes you feel happy. And also an update. This is my birthday month, and there are a lot of stuff pouring in. No, not lot. हेलो फ्रेंड्स एंड वेलकम बैक टू अपराजिता टेल ब्लॉग। और आज मैं संडे ब्लॉग की शुरुआत करने जा रही हूँ। दिन है आज संडे और मैं अपने ब्लॉग की शुरुआत कर रही हूँ। सो दिन की शुरुआत मैंने क्या किया? हाँ, दिन की शुरुआत की मैंने बहुत ही मैस्कुलिन एक्टिविटी से, विच इज माई एक्सरसाइज विच आई लाइक टू डू ऑफन अर्ली इन द मॉर्निंग फॉर माई फोकस, फॉर माई अटेंशन एंड ऑफकोर्स जिस टाइप का बाहर वेदर होता है उसको देख के लगता है कि आपको थोड़ा और फोकस की जरूरत है. सो yes, I started my day with exercise, and thereafter I had my good nice breakfast with my affirmations. So I like to do affirmations a lot. Affirmations are basically talking good about yourself. So like for example, if I am having my breakfast, I say that I'm so thankful for this breakfast, that it's on my table and now I'm feeding my body and my body feels really good eating. So whenever you are eating, make sure that you are feeding your body really well, and it doesn't mean just eating and gobbling your food like da. Nine, you don't need to eat your food like this. You should chew your food. You should have maximum number of bites that you can have, but along with that you also need to bring an alignment in the sense that when you're eating your food, you are giving gratitude to your food. Gratitude to your food is, I'm thankful to God that there is food on my table and I can eat it, and I'm also thankful to the God, or gratitude to the God, that I'm getting this lifetime of opportunity to feed my body and to make it feel. So those are the affirmations I do. Since the morning I wake up, I like to do the affirmation which is, universe is working in my favor, everything works well for me, everyone loves me, and nothing has ever gone against me. So these are the affirmations with which I start my day, and I then do my physical activity, which is like some physical activity exertion so as to bring your body into more focus mode. So exercise helps you to bring a lot of focus. So I did that exercise, and also then my daily chore, mundane work that I normally do, I started with that stuff. मौसम बहुत ही अनप्रिडिक्टेबल हो गया है, मेरे को ये वेदर बिल्कुल नहीं समझ में आ रहा है. सो देयर इज लॉट ऑफ ग्रीफ, सैडनेस, common consciousness that I am feeling for the things that are happening across, which is in terms of change in policies, in change of war going on, in change of government. So common consciousness is not of lot of happiness, it's lot of sadness that you can feel across, and as a consequence this weather is adding more to that common consciousness of grief and sadness. So I sat for meditation for a while, just to overcome that consciousness of sadness and grief, and then I did my mundane stuff. So yes, life is difficult, life is a lot more struggle. We don't realize it, but life is really a big struggle, and struggle is often caused by our feelings, like switching from moods of sadness to moving from sadness to something more higher consciousness is in the state of happiness. So there has to be a continuous effort in that direction, and that can only happen when you feel that common consciousness, and then you can change that common consciousness with your personal consciousness. So I sat for meditation for a while, I journaled it, I scribbled it, what I was feeling, how I was feeling, and thereafter I started with my mundane work. Then I got ready, I got dressed up, I started my creative stuff, so it's very important that you should channelize your energy, something which is like really creative space, because creative space helps you to imagine the big things, because in our survival mode we are a lot many times stuck in one place and we do not know. It's like literally colliding your head onto a wall and you're not finding a way out. But the moment you get into your creative energy is intuition, your creative energy is the space where you imagine things. So for my creative stuff, I do some activity, writing, journaling and all those stuff. But today I decided I'll get ready. So this white t-shirt was there in my wardrobe for the longest time period, so I thought maybe I should just try this one, and I felt really very happy to try this out. I shoot it for one of my shots. If you have seen, I got these lovely flowers for shooting the video that I was trying to put it across to an idea which I wanted about beauty of women, how beautiful a woman is. A woman is very beautiful in her state of being more than her state of doing, and therefore I was trying to come into my state of being. So these flowers helped me to shoot this video. This mirror also really helped me to shoot this video, because your state of being comes through softness, it comes through mirror, it comes through more stuff which makes you feel happy. And also an update, this is my birthday month and there are a lot of stuff pouring in. No, not a lot of stuff pouring in, but my friend Kalpana, she is remembering me all the way from Ireland. So, you know, my friend, she was here for the longest time period. So I recall back some 7 years we have spent together, and she was one of my closest friend out here. I learned a lot of stuff. So she's currently in Ireland. She's a mom now. She has a small baby boy. And as per our conversation, she was saying she's forgetting things, so she just thought of gifting me my gift for my birthday earlier. So gifts are pouring in. So this is what she has gifted me. This is a nice sari. I think she wrote a lot of stuff. She related with my personality, that I am a person who talks in a lot of abstract words. So this sari, kalamkari sari, something like that. She wrote a big message. So I'm a very thought oriented and writing oriented person. So she just channelized this whole stuff. So she wrote all of this. It's called kalamkari sari or something, that I think in abstract terms. I make videos which are in abstract terms, which convey something, but at the same time they look aesthetically very nice. So she has gifted me this sari and I am really loving it. She asked me to cross check it whether it's nice or not. So yeah, this sari is pretty beautiful. She was asking me to wear this stuff. Oh, it's looking nice and pretty, really nice. So she was asking me to wear it as early as I can, especially in winters. These black color make you look really very pretty. Thank you so much, Kalpana, all the way from Ireland. This sari has come in and I have cross-checked, and along with that she has gifted me something else. What is it? It is khulkuni. Okay, so let me see how to open this dabba. So it's open. So these are the beautiful earrings that she has gifted me. If you can, I can show you. I'll just open it. So along with that sari, she asked me to she asked me to just match it with this stuff. So it's beautiful. I'll show it to you. It's a beautiful earring that she has gifted me. It's also colorful and nice. It will look very pretty when I'll wear it. So thank you so much, Kalpana, for this beautiful earring. I'll try to match up with that sari. Also, I have another set of earrings, but I think it's a bit broken. Looks like a bit broken. Anyhow, so this is the another set of earring that she has given. Abstract, colorful, like me, like I am, and it's looking very pretty. It will look very nice. So with this sari, lovely sari that I have, this sari, this earring, it will just make me look pretty. So yeah, so you tell me, how are you feeling? Are you feeling like sad? Are you feeling grief? Are you feeling the common consciousness? Are you finding that your life is becoming a lot of struggle? Struggle is part of life. You should just feel the feel and express it like I am doing it. I was feeling a lot more griefness, sadness that is happening across the world, and therefore I try to change it. And you can also do it. Try it. It does work. Gratitude works. Affirmations work. Working on yourself work. Changing your feeling works. So do work on yourself. And please like, comment and subscribe if you like my channel. Like. Please like the video if you really like the content of your video. If you really like my channel and you find that I'm really putting great content out there which is helping you out, so please subscribe to my channel. Subscribe क्यों नहीं करते हैं आप लोग? Do subscribe to my channel, right? So it makes me happy. Please subscribe. Like my channel. That's it. Nice sari, nice earrings, and nice look that I've got. See you next week in the next vlog, talking more on to how to be more gratitude, how to have more gratitude, how to be more positive, and how to work on yourself. That's it from Prashta Tale. Do like, comment and share.